Welcome back to Project Management Insights. Today we're diving into a clever technique for optimizing your project schedule. Resource smoothing. It's all about making the most efficient use of your team without pushing your project's end date. In our last discussion, we touched upon how simply allocating resources to start tasks as early as possible can sometimes create uneven demand, leading to inefficient peaks where you might need extra people for just a short period. This raises a crucial question: can we be efficient with fewer resources, yet still hit our original deadline? The answer often lies in resource smoothing. This is a process where you strategically adjust the schedule of non-critical activities to optimize how your resources are used. The key here is that you do all this without extending the project's original planned completion date. It's about leveraging the inherent flexibility, or float, within certain tasks. Let's revisit our example project. You remember, the one where we initially needed 3 resources for a brief period. By identifying an activity with available float, meaning it can be delayed without affecting the critical path, we can strategically shift its start date. So for instance, if we moved task F, which was a non-critical activity, a bit to the right within its available float, you'd quickly see that we could now complete the entire project with just 2 resources. We could have achieved a similar effect by moving task C to start slightly later instead. The core idea is to utilize that built-in flexibility that float provides to even out your resource demand. Resource smoothing offers significant advantages. Firstly, it leads to much more efficient use of resources, potentially reducing the need for costly temporary hires or excessive overtime. Secondly, and very importantly, it ensures that your project still concludes by its original planned completion date. You're not sacrificing time for efficiency. However, it's vital to be aware of the trade-offs. While efficient, consuming the available float in activities does inherently increase project risk. If a smoothed activity then encounters an unexpected delay, it now has less or even no buffer to absorb that delay. This means it becomes harder to deal with future issues, as the flexibility you once had has been utilized. A delay on a smooth task could now directly impact subsequent activities, or even the overall project deadline. In essence, resource smoothing is a sophisticated balancing act for project managers. It allows you to level out your resource demand, avoiding those inefficient peaks and troughs. But it demands careful management and a clear understanding that you are, in effect, consuming the project's inherent flexibility for the sake of efficiency. Next time, we'll delve into resource leveling, another powerful technique that also addresses resource constraints, but with a different primary objective and a distinct impact on your project schedule. That's all for today's episode. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of project management. Until next time, keep your projects governed and on track.